Welcome. Now I'm gonna show you how to set up camera shake, how to enable it, how to disable, or just how to customize camera shake in Wukong game. To do that, firstly you should click on escape button, click on settings, afterwards just click display, and here as you can see we have camera shake and we can change the grade of camera shake. We can set it up to the max and then camera will shake really more, but you can even disable camera shake if you want and if it preventing you play well, for example. So of course, when camera shake is enabled, you feel more intense gameplay, but without it, you can even play. Thanks for watching, like this video, and bye, see you.